This one small content creator generated more than 70,000 US dollars as a TikTok Shop affiliate with a video that is less than even 20 seconds long. The video having been uploaded less than 4 weeks ago. But what exactly is a TikTok Shop affiliate? What product did she promote? How can you go about getting this product yourself? How much did she make? Exactly how does it work? And how can you go about getting all this information yourself as well, so you can pick up the next most popular product that you can go about promoting? If you stick around up until the end of the video, I am going to answer all of those questions. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and we're starting right now. So the easiest way that I can explain how TikTok Shop affiliate works, say for example, I've got this bottle which I use fairly regularly. Let's say now I already qualify for TikTok Shop affiliate. I've got the number of followers, I've got the feature already showing and rolled out on my app. All I would need to do is go into what's called the TikTok Shop Creator Marketplace, which is a section of TikTok Shop where you will see all these different products nicely categorized by TikTok. You can then choose a product that you're going to promote in your videos. For me, I'd be looking for this bottle, so I'd find it in there, and if I can see that people are showing interest in it, if I can see that it's making loads of sales, and I'm going to talk you through how to go about finding some of the best products here in just a minute. I will then select this product from the TikTok Shop Creator Marketplace. It's very easy, it's free, it's all within the TikTok app as well. Once I've selected the product and put it into my what's called my showcase, again should take about 2 seconds, I will then go and create a video talking about how nice this bottle is that I'm using, how I've enjoyed it, how I've been using it for a long time. All of that should take me no longer than about 10 seconds. What I will then do once I've created this video is link that product that I added to the showcase earlier, which again should take about 2 seconds because it will show up and give me an option to do so as I'm about to upload to publish the video on TikTok. Once I've done that, the viewer of that video, the people that are watching the video, will see an option to buy the product. Okay, and if the person decides, good price, I like the product, let me buy it, they purchase the product, and what will happen is I will get paid a certain amount of commission, and we're going to talk about commissions here in just a second. And TikTok will make some money off of that transaction, and the shop that actually sells this product will also make money off that transaction as well. Now, that may sound absolutely ridiculous to some people. You may be thinking, who buys products from TikTok? TikTok is already dodgy as it is. It's already in the news for reasons that are not always good. Who dares spend money buying products within the TikTok app? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not only is TikTok one of the best or one of the highest app when it comes to how much time people are spending within the app currently daily, but also in 2023 TikTok was expected to make $20 billion just from TikTok Shop alone. YouTube has become so threatened by how fast TikTok Shop is growing and how much money TikTok is making that they have started rolling out features here within YouTube to try and compete with that. You will have noticed on some short videos on YouTube Shorts, that creators have a basket that you can use to click on and buy things. That is because YouTube is spending a hell of a lot of money to try and compete with TikTok, because that's how threatened they feel by the rise of TikTok Shop affiliate. But I digress. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through again how you can take advantage of this as a content creator and how other people are currently making money using TikTok Shop affiliate. I hope that explanation has clarified things for you. Okay, so now let's talk about the product that our creator was promoting. Now, I'm also going to show you the details of what I was talking about as well, so you can see that this is factual information and you can see the source of the information that I'm talking about. I also just want to briefly mention I'm using a tool called Shop Plus here, which is a really good insights tool for if you're trying to decide what to promote on TikTok. You've just started, you're not sure what the best product is for you to get. So this is a really good tool for you to investigate and find out what those products are, whether you're someone that wants to become an affiliate or whether you are someone that's starting a new shop on TikTok. So I've left a link in the description if you would like to explore this tool further, have a play around with it and see if it's something that you like. So firstly, the section that I'm on Shop Plus is underneath products, as you can see on the top left there, and I'm in the top sales section there. As you can see, there's a lot of different areas that you can look at, but that's where I'm focusing on right now. I've filtered it by the USA as the country, but you can also look at the UK, you can also look at Indonesia, Thailand, and a number of other countries that qualify as well. As you can see, there's different categories you can look at: home supplies, kitchenware, textiles, household appliances, etc, etc. But here I've just left it to all. I've not really done any other filtering apart from just looking at what's sold the most in the last day. You can also change that to weekly, monthly, you can customize it, but I've just left it to 1 day. Now, the product that our creator was promoting is the Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D Gummy. Okay, as you can see, the price of the product is around $13 in the US, around £9 or £10 in the UK where I am, I think. And the commission that you get as the TikTok Shop affiliate is 20% of that. So the easiest way to understand that is every time you sell that product, so every time you make one sale of £13.26, you will get paid 20% of that as the content creator. Now, if we take a look at how you can go about getting this product yourself, and this kind of ties into my example that I've made as well, there's two ways you can go about doing this. You can do this by either buying the product yourself, so you can look at places like Amazon, and you can just get next day delivery and purchase the product after you have done your research and seen that it's selling a crap ton on TikTok, or after you've looked at the TikTok creator marketplace I was just talking about and you can see that it's selling loads. Or you could go ahead and contact the shop as well and ask for a sample. A sample is quite simply where they send you the product under the promise that you are going to promote it on your TikTok Shop account. A lot of these products do have options for samples. You apply to the shop, they decide if you're the right type of account to send the product to for free. When they do, your part of the terms is to create a video promoting the product so you can make as many sales as possible to them. Now, in terms of how much the content creator made and the video that she made as well, I am going to just go onto the product page here. So some more information about the product here and some more details. Quite a bit of a digression here, but on Shop Plus, once you've gone into the product detail, you do so by just clicking on the product here. It also shows you who else is promoting the product. You can also get to watch what videos they're doing to promote the product. You can also get an idea of how much money they make creating the product, how many views they're getting, how long these videos are, and essentially you can also download the script that they're using. So these videos right here, if you click on one, it takes you directly onto TikTok, onto the video, so you can go ahead and watch the video. Now, the crazy thing about the creator that I'm talking about here, as you can see, she's ranking #1 this week for this product. The video, as you can see, is 15 seconds long. If we go into video detail here, we can do so by clicking on the actual video. It's actually 15 seconds long. As you can see, you can download it here. You can look at the script. Now, the crazy thing is the video was created and uploaded on the 8th of August 2024. At the time of recording this video is the 1st of September. So this means this video has not been up for more than 4 weeks. But yet, she has generated $375,680 in under the last 4 weeks from this 15-second video that she has created. Now, what I'm going to do is just click on this video and press play. Now, for copyright reasons, I'm not going to bring the volume up because there is some music in there, but I just want you to get an idea of what this video is like. Now, the crazy part is she does not even talk in this video. All she does is record this video. She's got some text on the screen and she shows herself using the product. It's absolutely insanely simple, the video creation process for this. So let me just click play. And this is the video essentially, and you can see the profile name if you want to go and check her out on TikTok as well. And that's pretty much it. She's literally using the product, text on the screen. There is an audio that's playing in the background of someone saying something. There's a song, and that's literally it. That video went viral and generated this amount of money. Now, the revenue here, I do need to point out, this is what the total amount of money brought in by the sales of that product in total, okay, before any expenses or anything like that gets taken away. So in total, in this period from the 8th of August, between the 8th of August and the 1st of September, which is today, she's generated that amount of money. Now, we can also see how much sales volume she made here. So this is how many units of that product she sold, around 27,000, nearly 27,500. We can also see how many views the video has got as well. And to verify this, you can go ahead and search her on TikTok. You can search for that name and you'll be able to see exactly this video that we're talking about here as well, if you want to just do a bit more research yourself and see how closely that ties to Shop Plus here. Now, in terms of how much money she made exactly, so if we go back to the product here on the product page, what we can also see, which is really important for you as a content creator and your research, is how much commission you get paid. I mentioned this a little bit earlier. It's 20% commission per product sale. So every time she made one sale, she got 20% commission. Now, if you go back into this page here, we can see that in total she sold $375,680. Now, the crazy thing is she has earned at least 20% commission from these sales. Now, how much does that equate to in dollars? It actually works out at $75,136 from a 15-second video where she does not even put in any effort, barely whatsoever. She doesn't talk, she doesn't dance, she doesn't run around. She's sat on a couch, she's using the gummies, she's got an audio playing in the background, she's got some text on the screen, barely does anything at all, and she's generated more than what some people make in salary in a year, working overtime and working all the hours God sent, spending less time with their families and having a horrible life. And she's done that with one video. Now, the crazy thing is, with TikTok Shop, you're not limited to one video. You can upload multiple videos per day. Now, I'm not saying to spam people or anything like that, but there is no limit to how many videos you can upload. There's no limit to how many products you can promote as well. The more money you make, the more money TikTok makes as well. Yes, not every video is going to go viral. Not every video is going to make $70,000, but you can see the potential. Now, in terms of how you can go about getting all of this information yourself, again, I've left the Shop Plus tool in the description for you to go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I mean, it's not just this product that you can look at as well, you know, in terms of product research and looking at what other products you can promote as well. Perhaps, you know, you might not want to promote this ashwagandha vitamin D gummy. It might be, you know, against your, I don't know, your beliefs, or your, you know, it might just not be something that you want to be seen as promoting on your account. If that's the case, don't worry. There's like all these other products here that are being ranked that you can look at. There's the car freshener here, there's upholstery, there's you know, a diffuser oil, there's a bunch of different things, 15-day clans, all these different products that you can look to promote as well. And what's even crazier is some people that are watching this video, you may already have these in your house. You may have already bought them not knowing that they are being bought by a ton of people on TikTok Shop Affiliate. This may already be in your medicine cabinet in your house for some people, for you to create a short 10-second video, put it on TikTok and promote it as a TikTok Shop Affiliate if you already qualify. And this is a really good tool as well for doing that research. As I say, you've got this graph which shows you how well a product is doing. Like, for example, with this ashwagandha gummy, you've got a graph here which tells you how it's done historically in the past 7 days, in the past 15 days, in the past 30 days, so you can understand whether the popularity of that product is declining or whether more and more people are becoming interested in it as well. I'm not going to delve in too deeply on that side of it on this video. I don't want to make the video too long, but yeah, what do you guys think? $75,136,000 with a 15-second video. She doesn't even have that many followers as well, less than 50k followers, and she doesn't even talk in the video, and the video is less than 4 weeks old as well. Now, if you want to understand a bit more about TikTok Shop Affiliate, I've got a playlist here on YouTube on the various aspects, product research, going into more depth around that, other case studies of people that are promoting and making money on TikTok Shop Affiliate, how people are making money with faceless videos, with AI. And I've also got a free course that you can watch right here without leaving YouTube as well, which I will have left in the description. I will see you in there.